Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to make pizza in your toaster oven. What you will need to make a traditional pizza. 2 cups whole wheat flour. 4 cups all-purpose flour. 3 cups of warm water. ½ ounce instant dry yeast. 1½ teaspoons kosher salt. 1½ tablespoons honey. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Your preferred toppings. Follow these steps to make your pizza dough. 1. Melt honey in warm water inside a big mixing bowl. 2. Then sprinkle yeast all over the water's surface and leave it to bloom for about 5 minutes. 3. Add the whole wheat flour and the all-purpose flour to the mixing bowl. 4. Use a dough hook to knead your dough for about 5 minutes. 5. Now add salt and olive oil to the dough. 6. Mix properly and move the dough to an oil-coated bowl. 7. Rub a small quantity of oil all over the dough's surface and cover the dough with a wet clean cloth. 8. Leave the dough in a warm place to rise for approximately 1 to 2 hours until it is double in size. 9. Thump the dough down and cut into 4 parts. Then store in the fridge until you are ready to use it. Here's how to make pizza in your toaster oven. 1. Preheat your toaster oven to a temperature of 550 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Press the dough on a big baking sheet till the dough is thin and flat. 3. Then add your preferred toppings. If you want a thin crust, bake instantly for about 10 minutes or until it is cooked to your satisfaction. If you want a puffed crust, leave the pizza and toppings to rise for approximately 30 minutes before you bake the pizza dough. 4. Serve your pizza warm. Alternatively, if you want a puffed crust, bake your dough without your toppings until it is almost cooked. Then remove from the toaster oven, put the toppings in the middle of the dough and bake again until your pizza is properly cooked. Sometimes, making fresh dough is time-consuming and tasking. How then do you make a pizza without making the dough yourself? Very simple. Use an already made bread for the pizza base. It has the same great taste and bakes faster. Examples of already made bread that can be used as a pizza base in place of dough are long sandwich rolls, English muffins, tortillas, bagels, and pitas. Expert tips for making the most delicious pizza in your toaster oven. 1. You must keep an eye on your pizza while it is baking, otherwise it will burn because of the high temperature you are cooking it under. Also, flip the pizza in intervals to ensure even cooking. 2. Adjust your cooking rack far away from the heating elements prior to baking. This is to ensure that your pizza bakes properly. Preferably, use a pizza pan for baking your pizza. It maintains a steady heat. You can also use a toaster oven pizza stone. But if you don't have any of these, you can bake your pizza directly on the oven rack. 3. Turn the toaster oven off a few minutes before you are ready to remove your pizza from the oven. The heat will finish the cooking and save some energy. If you found this video helpful, click the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you'll know when we post a new video. Also, drop your comment so we can know your thoughts. Don't forget to check the description below for more details. And visit our website, zimtoasters.com, for more content like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.